بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Sehrish Jamil from British Institute, and this channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Turn one's back on.
To ignore, disregard, or exclude someone or something.
It's clear that the company has turned its back on customers.
He turned his back on me and walked away. Her former supporters have turned their backs on her.
2. To abandon, give up on, or forsake someone or something.
She turned her back on her career to devote her life to house chores.
Jessie's already in the gym, and when she sees me walk in with Diva, she just turns her back on me and ignores me.
The client has been given a commitment. We cannot turn back on the project now, even if it means working for extra hours.
She wanted to turn back on her decision of moving to a new city, but the fact that you spoke to her gave her the confidence to go ahead.
One ought never to turn one's back on a threatened danger and try to run away from it. If you do that, you will double the danger. But if you meet it promptly and without flinching, you will reduce the danger by half. Never run away from anything.
Subscribe, like and share please, thank you. It is all for you.